Guys, today I want to share with you really cool upgrades for this awesome scooter, and I think this is the best scooter in $2,000 price range today. So we have a steer dampener. You don't need it, but if you like to go really fast and you have bad roads around, this thing can be a lifesaver. And we have here the hardware to mount this. We'll go over that in a second. And we have fast charging system, and get this scooter ready in about 3 hours, a little bit over 3 hours if you're charging from empty to full. So this scooter, guys, it is awesome. It has a compact form factor, but a power delivery, the torque from the start, from the dead zero, it's almost the same as a 72-volt system. It is impressive how much they're able to squeeze out of this compact system. It is just exciting and exuberating acceleration. It's really fun to ride this thing fast if you like speed. So let me unbox this and show you guys these two chargers that actually work together, and we're gonna plug them in and show you guys the updates. This will save your life. This is a must if you like to go fast and aggressive. So let's check this out and install the steer dampener. 3 amp charger, so which is cool here. You can use a slower charger where you don't need to charge it fast, and you can use a fast charger when you need it right away, and you can actually combine them both. So let me show you. Also adapter, which is great. This is 5 amp hour. This is a very nice quality charger, well built, feels heavier than other chargers, so there's good components here. This charger also looks very good, a good quality, feels heavier, so I can actually plug this in and feel more secure. It's not gonna, create any issues or catch on fire. Always make sure you use the right charger for the right battery. Check the voltage, make sure it belongs to the EV you purchase it, so it comes together, so you don't, get confused and mismatch the chargers and then create an issue. And what's cool here, you can use this type of connector for other EVs. Just make sure you have the right voltage matching your battery. So we have 5 amps and 3 amps, so it's 8 amps an hour charging, which will get your battery fully charged much faster. But you have to keep in mind one thing. Pushing more current, getting your battery faster, affects your lifespan of the battery. So don't charge it every day, only when you need it. Only charge with the fast option when you're in a rush and you need to cover a longer distance in a short period of time. Regularly charge with the slowest possible charger to maintain longevity of the battery. Always have the batteries under your supervision. Make sure there's nothing around them if something goes wrong to catch on fire and increase that intensity. I recommend always have a fire extinguisher rated for class D that are effective against lithium metal battery fires. If you have batteries or EVs, it's good to have them around just in case. When you order a steer dampener, it comes like this, and with a pouch with additional hardware. And here you have all the hardware needed to connect this steer dampener. And this thing is really cool. I like how they put the markings here and the error. Really nice touch, and this anodized ring here, and this finish on the axle, very nice. I like the detailing. From all the scooter brands I have tried and extensively tested in 2022 and 2023, so far RS5 Plus has the best system that allows you, depending on the rider weight, weather and terrain conditions to cover 30 to 50 miles in range, and swap a battery in under 10 seconds and continue riding or charge in 3.5 hours and be able to get back on the road and cover another 30 to 50 miles depending on the mode you ride. You have the quickest battery swap in the world, I believe, and the shortest charging time, allowing you to get back riding and have extreme performance in a very compact package, reasonably light, well thought through design and unique features and functionality. So far, RS5 Plus is the best 2000, actually best under $3,000 price level, and besides functionality, has an incredible attractive design and power that is comparable to 72-volt electric scooter systems. I placed the link down below where you can check it out and purchase it. If you find this video informative, it will greatly help if you smash the like button and share this update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.